Intellectual Property, and Avatar Rights in China's AI Legal Framework. The governance of intellectual property, IP, and avatar rights in China's legal system is rapidly evolving in response to technological advancements in AI-generated imagery, voice synthesis, and digital identity. Digital avatars have transitioned from fictional entertainment figures into influential commercial entities, making their legal status increasingly complex. China's current regulatory framework addresses avatar creation, IP ownership, likeness protection, and deepfake governance through the Copyright Law, 2020 Amendment, Trademark Law, Civil Code, and Personal Information Protection Law, PIPL. Copyright law requires substantial human creativity for legal protection, explicitly excluding fully autonomous AI-generated content. Recent landmark cases underscore this stance. In the 2023 case Mofa v. Hangzhou, the Hangzhou Internet Court ruled that the avatar Ada did not possess copyright independently due to its classification as weak AI, instead attributing rights to human creators responsible for scripting and directing the avatar's performances. Similarly, in a 2025 ruling by Shaanxi People's Court involving AI-generated visuals from Midjourney, the court affirmed copyright protection based on significant human contributions, such as prompt engineering and post-production editing. Trademark protection is emerging as digital avatars increasingly serve commercial branding roles. While there has yet to be major judicial resolution of avatar trademarks, potential disputes loom as avatar identities gain prominence in fashion, entertainment, and e-commerce. Currently, platforms typically assert broad rights to user-generated avatars through terms of service, complicating ownership clarity and creators' IP claims. Personality rights under China's Civil Code, particularly Article 1019, have expanded judicially to encompass AI-generated likenesses, including voice and behavior. The 2024 case Yin v. Beijing Smart Tech established significant precedent by recognizing unauthorized AI-generated voice clones as infringements of personal likeness, thereby affirming dynamic attributes of likeness rights protection. Enforcement remains challenging, however, due to difficulties proving harm and tracing anonymous or composite avatar infringements. Deepfake governance has become integral to IP protection efforts through regulatory measures such as the Deep Synthesis Provisions, 2023, and the Interim Measures for Generative AI Services, 2023. These measures require labeling of synthetic media, explicit consent for likeness use, and platform-level accountability. Enforcement actions, such as fines against platforms like Douyin and Quazoo, underscore China's commitment to proactive content governance, despite ongoing enforcement inconsistencies, particularly among smaller or foreign platforms. Avatar ownership remains unresolved, especially in collaborative or iterative creation contexts involving multiple authors, AI assistants, or commercial platforms. Judicial rulings currently rely heavily on human input and contractual agreements to determine rights, leading to uncertainty. Cases such as Mofa v. Hangzhou highlight the need for explicit statutory guidelines on joint authorship and ownership in avatar contexts. The introduction of blockchain-based decentralized identifiers, DIDs, exemplified by the National Real DID system, offers a promising technological solution for verifiable authorship attribution and identity authentication. Though not yet codified explicitly within statutory law, DIDs could substantially enhance legal clarity around avatar rights and ownership. China's approach uniquely integrates legal doctrines, technical standards, and ideological oversight, balancing innovation with regulatory control. The system remains incomplete, however, particularly regarding fully autonomous avatars' legal status and clearer definitions of multi-party avatar ownership rights. Addressing these gaps through statutory reform and technical integration will be essential for supporting both technological progress and robust protection of intellectual property and individual rights in China's expanding avatar economy.